In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your HP Smart Tank 5106 printer. To access the printheads, first we have to restart the printer. So press the power button once to switch it off. Once the power light goes off, we will restart the printer. Press the power button again. Once you hear the sound of printheads moving, unplug the power cable. That will unlock the printheads. Now we can unplug it. Open the front chamber. Look for the printheads and move them into the middle. Press this lock down. And now take the printheads out. So press it down and then take it out. This is the black. And press it down. Take the color printhead out. You can do this if you have already done the automatic printhead cleaning. If that doesn't work, then you can do the manual printhead cleaning. Now take a cloth and spray some water or cleaning agent and clean the printheads of the printer. So you just have to move it here. It will unclog the printhead. Now we can see all the lines are showing up properly. Same with the black. Clean it and it will start to work normal. So once you do that, we will reinstall it. Place the printhead here. Push it in with the fingers. Same with the black. Slide it in and push in. It will lock. Now press the blue lock again and close the front chamber. Plug in the power cable. Wait for the printer to start. Once the printer starts, now we are going to do the automatic printhead cleaning so that the printhead starts to work normal. Once your printer starts, go to your smartphone. If you have installed your printer in the smartphone, then you can go there. If you have used it in the MacBook or laptop, you can go there. Now scroll down. Look for the option Diagnostics and click on the Print Quality Tools. Select the last option, View All Print Quality Tools. And do the Clean Printhead option. Select Clean. So this will clean the printheads automatically. Load the paper in the paper tray. Once you get this message, that means printhead cleaning is done. So we'll just wait for the paper. So you can see everything looks normal and it has started to work. So that means we have cleared the clogged ink. Now click on the done and go back to the main screen. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning. You should be doing the automatic printhead cleaning first and you can watch my video on that. If that doesn't work, then you can go for the manual printhead cleaning.